Hey, welcome to the Hoodstead. I just woke up. Look at this mushroom. This is just since yesterday. This is crazy. Remember how little it was? It's coming out of the box. The mushrooms are, it's huge. Oh my God. It's knocking the box over. This is craziness. It's so heavy that it, oh God, I wasn't expecting it to fall. This is, the growth is ridiculous. Look at that. It started at like day 7 and it has exploded. This was so fun. And these are really good mushrooms too. I never had oyster mushrooms. I had them once before, like 2 weeks ago, so I wanted to see if I can grow them. I tried maitake mushrooms for the first time yesterday. I think I'm gonna get another kit and try to grow that. Look at this. Now I gotta do the other side. I should be able to get another fruiting out of this. That's what it says. So I'm gonna flip the box over and see if I can do it again. See, you can do this. Stop where you are and don't stress.